Criminal lawyer Assa Nyakundi's wife, Lydia Kunga Apungu, spent 6 hours at the DCI headquarters recording a statement following the unclear circumstances surrounding the death of her son, 29-year-old Joseph Nyakundi.
She was accompanied by her second son, who also recorded a statement with the detectives. Police say Assa Nyakundi, who is currently admitted at the Nairobi hospital, is in serious condition and has been diagnosed with high blood pressure and diabetes.
Sources reveal that Nyakundi was willing to leave the hospital and go into police custody, but his condition requires that he remains in hospital. Detectives are looking to understand just how 29-year-old Joseph Nyakundi was at the back seat of the Toyota Axio at the time of his death.
Witnesses from the church the two had attended say it was Joseph driving the car on the fateful day. The ballistics team from the specialized unit section at the DCI are still investigating the matter.
If investigations reveal that the city lawyer accidentally shot his son, as he'd earlier stated, it is expected that he will face manslaughter charges.